Hello, judges at the Skin Game. My name is Tammy Hang at Beauty Reflection Salon and Spa in Melbourne, Pennsylvania. I have been in the hair industry for many years, but when it's come to the skincare, this is the brand new journey for me. I have to admit that I am nervous and exciting at the same time because this is my first competition ever in my career. Um, I have to step out in my comfort zone to do this because I like to learn and I like to challenge myself. Here, the cases that I am focused to do is hair restorative, age management, and acne. So please go easy on me. I truly appreciated your guidance, your encouragement, and your support as I grow through this experience. Thank you and God bless you.